Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing some tips with you guys when it comes to your locks. I am 3 years locked and my locks has been doing so well, guys. It's been growing so fast this year. It's been just hang time, okay, hang time. And I just wanted to come by and tell you guys something I've been doing, and I also want to tell you guys that I've got a product coming out very soon. I'm just taking out this last plait here, and I've been testing out my products and stuff that I've been doing, my concoctions now for months and months, maybe a year now, because I've been pregnant last year, so I've been testing out stuff since last year, and my baby's 9 months old now, so I love the way my locks has been just cooperating with the stuff that I've been using in there, and I've barely used a lot of stuff. A lot of these stuff are kitchen stuff you find in the kitchen, or stuff that you already have, such as coconut oil, castor oil. I like to use aloe vera gel. I even use other gels, but I find that aloe vera gel is also good for my hair. It kind of softens it as well, and especially with the edges, sometimes you don't want nothing too hard on your edges, so I recommend aloe vera gel for your edges. Castor oil as well is good for your edges if you want to regrow your edges back. And yeah, coconut oil just gives moisture. Not everybody likes coconut oil because it leaves that smell. If you're using a natural organic coconut oil, it will leave a smell. Sometimes you can wash that out. I personally don't really wash my coconut oils or oils out my hair within the same day. I probably leave it for like 2 days, and then I do my wash. The oil and stuff that I use them every other day or maybe twice a week. I don't use oils every day on my locks because that kind of weighs down your locks. So I am going to be making my products, and they're going to be coming in little bottles like this. I'm not going to tell you guys everything that's in these bottles because it's my secret ingredients, alright? But what I'm going to do is share some stuff that has been working for my locks. And you guys know this because I've done a previous video. I don't know how long it is, probably a year or two now. I've done the rice water challenge, and I've done it for, I would say, 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks the first time, and then I did it again and again and again. I just love the rice water. Okay, and then I'll keep finding different recipes and stuff online. So I decided to do my own concoction. This has many things in there, but one thing I wanted to talk about today, and what I do with this, by the way, I refresh my hair every day with it, and it just keeps it nice, moisturized, and it grows my hair very quickly. Alright, so I really want to get my label on here. I really want to get things like, I want to start doing production, like making sure all the ingredients slip and leave it to process and ferment for a while. There's a lot of stuff I have to get like strong. Alright, it's gonna take a while for this to come out. So if you guys want a product that make your hair grows or your lock grows strong and long quicker, this is it. So now we're gonna talk about, it's in a plastic right now. I just pulled it out and put it in this for you guys to see. It's my rice water. It's been fermenting for a while. I would say 3 months the most right now. I normally ferment them longer than this if I can, sometimes less, but my mind told me the other day, just ferment it long, just leave it. So what I do, I add water to it. Now and again I'll just shake it up, add water. I do not add anything in there. This is just rice water, and it stinks, okay? It stinks, but it works, okay? And this time I've been using black rice now for a while. So if you guys notice, I've got like black rice in my basmati rice right now, and I think this really works wonders. Black rice is even better than white rice, so if you can get your hands on some black rice, you are good to go. Okay, so get your hands on some black rice. If not, you can use any kind of rice. I do not boil my rice or anything. I just put it in water, and I just leave it to do its thing. You can add essential oils, you can add peel, lemon peel, orange peel, lime, whatever you want to add in there, just take away the stench. Okay, the stench, you're gonna, it smells like butthole. Okay, I don't want to say that, but I had to say it again. I said it in my previous video and I say it again. but I don't really mind. So when I use this product in my hair, I tell people, listen, I've got my product in my hair right now. So if you smell anything funny, do not say nothing, okay? Because this is my secret potion. Sometimes I don't use it all the time, but with my own stuff here, I use this regularly. As I said, I use this every day. I just spray it on my locks, and you know, it works. It works for me. But the rice water is something I'll definitely tell you guys to try, even if you just try it once. Um, it will definitely get your hair stretching a bit for you. If you want to see if it works, try it. You know, a lot of people might tell you don't do that to your locks or don't try those things on your locks, but everybody's locks or hair is different. So what I do, I spray it on and I just massage it through my roots only. I don't really use this in the entire, my entire locks or hair. Okay, and I just massage it through. I don't want to get it too wet right now because I damped my hair with plain water before. So now I'm just gonna massage it through, and let me show you guys the back, how long it is right now. Right, show you guys. And this is my locks now. It's got really long. And I don't retwist my locks. Guys, the last time I retwist my locks, I was pregnant last year. So I am semi-freeform, okay? I retwist my locks maybe once a year. If that, I don't want to spill my water now. This is precious. My precious. Okay, yeah, so I haven't retwisted for like, I don't really retwist my hair maybe once a year and the most twice. And that doesn't last me for like 2-3 weeks. So I don't really bother retwisting, and this is why my locks grow so quickly, and that's why it stretches a lot, because I've got lots of new growth. There's so much new growth and I really love it. I love to feel my thick healthy locks, I mean my roots. And yeah, I will be retwisting my hair, don't you worry, I will be looking cute. But I really like that it's moisturized and soft, and that it's just growing right now. I just want it to do what it needs to do. I'm treating my locks like a tree, a plant, a flower. You have to water it, take care of it. You know, don't manipulate it too much, don't twist it up too much and tie it up too much, you know, just leave it to do its thing. So what I normally do after I spray it with some water or my concoction, I will just wrap it. I'll put like an elastic band or wrap it with a head wrap or scarf, and I'll leave that on to keep the moisture in my locks for probably 2-3 hours. Take it off and I'll style my locks. I like to hold my head upside down as well, massage it through, get the blood flowing to my head. And yeah, just that's just things I've been doing for a long time, even before I had my locks, and it really helps to stimulate the locks, stimulate my scalp. You can also add peppermint oil, anything you want to your concoctions, guys, to your rice water, just to make it even better and stronger for you. But try it out, let me know what you think. Okay, if not, just get your hands in some coconut oil, castor oil, um, even peppermint oil. You can get tea tree oil, all of that, mix it up together, put that in your locks, you know, spray that on your hair, whatever, every day, every other day, once a week, it's up to you. But you will definitely see improvement in your locks. Do not use too much oils by itself, because that will weigh down your locks and just make it greasy. You don't want to have greasy locks, you want to have locks that's moisturized and locks in the moisture. You want to also use water with your oil. Don't just use oil on your locks, because that ain't gonna do nothing. Okay, you need something to make it soak in. Okay, so make sure you moisturize, make sure you tie your hair up if you can. Don't tie it too tightly, and that is going to help your hair to stretch and grow. You can even stretch your hair at night. You can plait your hair, twist your hair up into two-strand twist. But definitely keep trying different stuff that's going to work for you. Just because it works for me doesn't mean it's going to work for you. Try your own concoctions. yes, try rice water, try different things you see people doing, but also remember your locks is different from everybody else's locks, okay? So that's all I had to say today. But if you want to get your hands on my product that's been working tremendously, okay, please let me know in the comments below because I want to drop it by the end of this year or before that. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see how I make my rice water in the next video, please comment under this video and I'll do that for you guys, because I like, as I said, I like to ferment mine for a long time. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour this back into my mason jar. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. It gets really cloudy when you leave it for a while. You can also top it up. I'm going to top it up with some more water before I do that. But I had this out. It's been fermented for a long time, you know, and I just wanted to get it in. I just poured some into this bottle. I've got some other things in this bottle that I'm not going to tell you guys about, as I said before, but I did add some rice water to this, so this has been helping me. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video, so please stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and if you want to see my Loc updates, I've got lots more to come. Okay guys, I know I've been slacking with the Loc update, but I've been doing so much things this year, and I have a baby. I've got 4 kids now, so I'm busy, but I'm doing things on the down low, okay? And I'm definitely gonna share more with you guys. And yeah, what else? Is that it? Yeah. So if you guys want to see more in retwist videos, if you guys want to see how I dye my hair when I want to dye my hair, all of that, how I wash my hair, yeah, if you want to see lens check, stuff like that. But I've got a lock challenge coming soon that I want to do with you guys. If you want to be part of it, is to grow your locks longer. We're going to be doing it for maybe a whole month, okay, just to grow our locks. Then we're going to be doing check-ins and stuff like that. So let me know if you guys want to be part of that. When you want to start it, I will get started. This year 2020, we need to have healthy hair, healthy body, healthy mind, alright? Right, we'll see you guys in the next video.